Welcome to the top best. The best MS310 chainsaw parts is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or professional who deals with trees and wood. Whether you're felling trees, trimming branches, or simply maintaining your property, having the right parts for your chainsaw is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of MS310 chainsaw parts, exploring everything from the engine components to the cutting chain and bar. Number 5. Adefol chainsaw parts for Stihl MS310 MS390. This is a replacement part kit for your chainsaw. It's designed to help you repair your saw and get it back to work. It includes everything you need to get the job done. This kit is compatible with Stihl MS310, MS390, 034, 036, 029, and 039 series chainsaws. It's a perfect fit for your saw, ensuring optimal performance. The kit includes parts that match OEM numbers 1125, 160, 2002, 1125, 640, 2000, and 1125, 640, 2004. Please double-check these numbers to ensure compatibility with your chainsaw. The package includes a sprocket, clutch drum, sprocket bearing, worm gear, washer, E-clip, and spark plug. These high-quality parts will help you easily repair your chainsaw. The parts are designed for a precise fit, making installation quick and easy. You'll have your chainsaw up and running in no time with this kit. As a professional supplier, we stand behind our products. If you're not satisfied, we offer a 100% refund. Buy with confidence knowing that it is built to last. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a comprehensive chainsaw repair. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking to quickly restore your chainsaw to peak performance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Contained all the parts necessary to restore my chainsaw to like new operation after original clutch failed. The kit was delivered promptly and worked perfectly. Fit perfect and easy to install. Perfecto para mi MS310 montage sin problemas y funcionamiento correcto como nueva después de 22 años. Es un kit de reparación totalmente recomendable. Number 4. Powtol MS290 Air Filter for Stihl Chainsaw. This is the Powtol MS290 Air Filter, designed for your Stihl chainsaw. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your machine running smoothly. Make sure this filter fits your chainsaw model. It is compatible with 029, 039, MS290, MS310, and MS390 models within specific manufacturing years. This air filter replaces part numbers 1127, 120, 1621 and 1127, 120, 1620. This ensures you're getting the correct replacement for your chainsaw. Consider the tune-up kit to save time and money. It is a convenient way to maintain your chainsaw. The filter is made from high-breathable fabric. It ensures minimal airflow obstruction and higher dust-holding capacity. Using this filter prevents impurities from entering the engine. This helps ensure smooth operation and extends the engine's lifespan. What we like. This air filter is crafted from high-breathable fabric, ensuring minimal airflow obstruction. It offers superior dust-holding capacity, protecting your engine from impurities. If you are looking for a reliable air filter to extend your engine's lifespan, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits as well as OEM filter. Right parts worked good. Works and fits great text _thumbs_up. Number 3. Carbhub 49mm cylinder piston assembly for Stihl chainsaw. This is a brand new, high-quality aftermarket part by Carbhub. It's designed to replace the original cylinder assembly. It ensures optimal performance for your chainsaw. This assembly is a direct replacement for OEM part number 1127, 020, 1216. It's built to the same specifications as the original, ensuring a perfect fit and function. This assembly is compatible with Stihl MS390, MS290, MS310, 029, and 039 chainsaw models. It's a reliable solution to restore the power of your chainsaw. The cylinder size is 49 mm. It's a crucial component for the engine's performance. It will help to improve the efficiency of your chainsaw. The cylinder has a decompression hole. If your original cylinder does not have one, please do not purchase this. It's important to make sure it matches your needs. What we like. This cylinder piston assembly is a direct replacement for your Stihl chainsaw. It's a high-quality aftermarket part designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. If you need a reliable and high-performance cylinder replacement, this will be a great choice. What people say. The parts fit perfectly. The product was exactly as described. The product was delivered quickly. Number 2. HAISHINE AV Buffer Mount Set for Stihl Chainsaw. This is a HAISHINE AV Buffer Mount Set. It's designed to improve the performance of your chainsaw. This set is compatible with Stihl MS310, MS330, MS350, MS390, MS310, and MS390 chainsaws. It's a perfect fit for your machine. The set includes annular buffer mounts. They help reduce vibration, making your work more comfortable and efficient. Also included are buffer gaskets. These ensure a tight seal and optimal performance of the chainsaw. The package includes 3 annular buffers and 3 buffer gaskets. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This set is designed to reduce vibrations, making your chainsaw more comfortable to use. The durable material ensures a long lifespan, even under heavy use. If you value comfort and longevity, this set is an excellent investment. What people say. The product is exactly what I needed. The parts fit perfectly. The product works as expected. Number 1. Stihl MS310 Carburetor with Air Filter Tune-Up Kit. Is your chainsaw not performing like it used to? This kit is designed to revitalize your Stihl chainsaw. It includes everything you need for optimal performance. This kit is compatible with Stihl MS390, MS310, and MS390 chainsaws. It's also a direct replacement for the 029 and 039 models. This ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. The carburetor in this kit replaces part number 1127-120-0650. It also replaces 1127-120-0650 and 1127-120-0650. This guarantees it meets the original specifications. The package includes a carburetor, air filter, spark plug, fuel line, fuel filter, oil filter, and impulse line. With this kit, you'll have everything you need for a complete tune-up. This kit is designed for easy installation, allowing you to quickly get your chainsaw back in top condition. Make sure to verify the part number before ordering to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. What we like. This kit includes a carburetor and all the necessary components for a complete tune-up. It's designed for easy replacement, getting your chainsaw running smoothly. If you need a comprehensive solution to improve your chainsaw's performance, consider this kit. What people say. The parts fit perfectly. The product is exactly what I needed. The product works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.